Did George Washington really throw a silver dollar across the Potomac River? I don't know, but we're gonna give it a shot and see if he really did. The Potomac River is over a mile wide, so unless he had a bionic arm, this myth is false. So today we're gonna be bike riding the nation's capital area along the Potomac River. Some of the stories that are to be told are so strange you will question their authenticity. So let's go riding! So we're gonna start next to the Washington, D.C. airport today, and it's almost literally on the river. The planes make their descent, and it appears that they will be making a water landing until the last second when they arrive safely on the runway. Riding along the Potomac River, you'll see stunning views of famous monuments and landmarks. And the world's tallest stone monument, better known as the Washington Monument, all along these shores. Someone stole a gift from the Pope, and it was an engraved stone next to the Washington Monument. They dumped it in the Potomac River, and for 30 years it was lost until they were building another bridge and divers found the Pope's stone. But days later, it was stolen again. No one knows where it is right now. Our 6th president, John Quincy Adams, used to swim buck naked in the Potomac, which is strange because now Potomac River water is the drinking water of Washington, D.C. now. Native Americans lived along these shores 10,000 years ago, where the legend of the Three Sister Islands comes from. 3 Native American sisters crossed the river to save their brothers who had been kidnapped by a rival tribe. The 3 girls drowned while crossing the Potomac. Then they were turned into 3 rock islands. The legend holds that the sisters cursed the spot, saying that if they could not cross the Potomac there, nobody could. So some unexpected sightings have occurred on the Potomac River. A shark has been seen, hundreds of dolphins have been spotted, an 80-foot-pound catfish was caught, and a fleet of nearly 200 ghost ships are buried underwater, all in the Potomac River. I'd like to see these 200 ghost ships. River, 405 miles long. It's pretty incredible. It flows through dense population, to mountains, to the ocean. It runs through 3 states and the United States capital, Washington, D.C. Hope to see you riding. Set that button.